Welcome back, everyone. This is Dr. Mahalet. Did you know that even in a sunny country, many people have low vitamin D? Yeah, they sure do. Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin, but its role goes far beyond bone health. So, in this video, we'll explore why vitamin D is essential, what happens when it's low, and how to protect yourself. So, what is vitamin D? Vitamin D is a fat soluble vitamin that also functions like a hormone, and our body produces it when the skin is exposed to sunlight. And we also get it from certain foods and also supplements like multivitamins. So, why is vitamin D this important? So, vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium and phosphorus. So, with this, it keeps bone and teeth very strong. It also supports muscle function and immunity, and it also helps keep the health of our brain and our heart. So when we come to the immunity and disease protection, adequate vitamin D strengthens the immune system, helping the body fight against infection and reduces inflammation. So low levels have been linked to frequent illnesses. So what is vitamin D insufficiency? So when vitamin D is very low and when it's insufficient, it's extremely common, and it's even in sunny countries. It happens in sunny countries, as I have said earlier. So many people have low levels without obvious symptoms. So most people don't notice their symptoms unless it's very severe. So it's mostly missed because of this. So, when we come to the effects of low vitamin D, when vitamin D is low, bones become weak, muscles lose strength, and people may feel tired and exhausted, with no apparent reason, and get sick most often. And so, when we see the long term risks, long term deficiency increases the risk of osteoporosis and falls in older adults. And there will be mood disorders like depression and even possibly cardiovascular disease. So, it's very good to, go and check the level of vitamin D and get the appropriate treatment. So, who is at risk? People who spend little time in the sun, and have darker skin, and people that are elderly, and women that are pregnant, and people that wear covering clothes all the time are at higher risks of vitamin D deficiencies. So, how do we get vitamin D? So, vitamin D comes from sunlight and foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and also fortified milk. You can see it on the covers of the milk, and also supplements when needed. So, most of the time, if it's severe, it's definitely there's a definite need of supplements. So the final message: vitamin D plays a vital role in overall health. So if you are at risk or feeling symptoms, you should talk to your healthcare provider. So small steps today, it can protect your health tomorrow. So go and get checked. Check your level of vitamin D, and it can easily be corrected with supplements or even nutritious foods, and also being exposed to the sun. So thank you very much. Stay tuned for more doctor led health tips. Bye.